Ayo friendos, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have some exciting news. My sister has signed up for Boxycharm. Now she's gotten the base box. You guys know I signed up for the premium box. Today we're gonna see what lies in store for this box right here. So this is the July Boxycharm Base Box. If you are excited to see what's inside, then friendos, just stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's see. The fun thing is about this box right here is you can sign up for Luxe. If you have the premium subscription like I do, Luxe is not an option. So I'm going to have a picture show up right here of all the items that they're displaying in their ad for Luxe. It looks really cool. We see a rare beauty palette in there. I don't know why I'm still holding this. You guys get the idea. That box looks awesome. Let's see if this is awesome. Ooh, we got a palette. This is a Phase 0 palette. Oh, we got some soft neutrals in here. This looks kind of close to the Lawless palette to me, like a small version of that. So let's swatch it. These first two mattes feel nice and creamy, but kind of the same color. Yeah, pretty much the exact same color. Here's the next two. Oh, that gold glimmer is really pretty. Ooh, we have a dark pinky, like rose gold, and then a copper. Ooh. So these actually look pretty nice overall. Wonderful. So just to be real with you guys, the next product that I'm going to get to is not going to be my favorite, but a lot of people like this brand. So we have the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. Now, I've used some items from Juice Beauty before, and I didn't like any of them. I don't like the way it smells. I don't like the way it performs. It's just not for me. It doesn't work well with my skin. So are you happy to get this, or how do you feel about this?
About it, to be honest.
My sister could take it or leave it, and that's probably how I would feel about it as well. Okay, moving on. Plus, you guys know I just broke up with Allure Beauty. I'm kind of over the whole skincare thing. All right, then we have from, I'm guessing this is Luxe. I need to look this up, you guys. Okay, so we have here Bold y Atrevida. So maybe this is Luxe, and Atrevida means daring. This is a lip gloss. Liquid lip. All right, let's try it out. This smells like bourbon. So this is made in Korea. I already had lipstick on, but I do think it looks nice on top. I think this is a bourbon smell. Let me see. I didn't say this before, but the base price on this box is $27. She gets 5 full-size items. She also got a free gift for signing up. So this is the Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. Now, I love Dr. Brandt. I've had some really good luck with his products. Does this have a smell to it or anything? Yeah, just smells really neutral. So this is a triple antioxidant smoothing moisturizer. This is made in the USA, and you'll have to let me know if this works out for you. Okay, now we have the Eloise luxury eyeshadow brush set. These are so pretty. Love this prismatic effect. I can't tell you how much I love the design of these. They are so pretty. I hope that our camera picks up the gorgeous packaging. So you got 4 very nice brushes. And if all goes according to my evil plan, I will sneak in while she's sleeping and get these for my own. Moving on. All right, I think we've come down to our last product. This is BFC Beauty for Certain. All right, let's see what this is. Ooh, we have a mascara. Whole lot of mascara. This looks decent. It reminds me of, what was that pink and green drugstore mascara? The wand on it. Yeah, the Maybelline mascara. I can't remember the name of it, but that's what the wand looks like. That used to be my favorite way back in the day. All right, so let's look at the prices of these and see how much they would have cost individually. Oh, wow. So you've got quite a value in here. The Phase 0 makeup palette was $40. The Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum was $72. Then we have the Eloise Beauty Prism Luxury Eyeshadow Brush Set. That was only $22. Well, so is the Phase 0. It's made in China as well. Okay, but it's $22. Then we have the BFC Whole Lotta Mascara. That was $32. Okay, the Luxe Beauty Bold y Atrevida Liquid Lip Tint. That was $18. That one's also pretty cheap, and it's Wasn't that made in Korea or was it made in the USA? Made in Korea. So see, you don't have to go through China. Clearly you can get it made cheap somewhere else. Okay, so this all comes out to, so the value of your box comes out to $184 and you got it for $27. So pretty lit. And how would you rate your box? My sister would rate this box a hard C. Okay, so why C? Okay, so half the box was made in China. That was the negative. Also, she specifically said in the little quiz that they have you take when you sign up that she didn't really want retinols, and she did get a retinol. So friendos, let me know your thoughts on this box right here. To be honest, just those brushes that you got, I think I like yours better than my premium box this time. My first premium box was lit. This last one was just kind of mediocre. And guys, I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day. I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you have not done so already, because if not, we'll both have to live in sorrow of never knowing what could have been. Okay guys, have a spectacular rest of your day. Bye.